In this video today, we're going to demonstrate some of the main features on how to properly use the Wells Ventless system. Make sure that you have one of our manuals on site when you have one of these installed. You can find this manual on the Wells website. To verify that the equipment is interlocked with the hood, what you need to do is to turn on the hood system, turn on the appliance underneath, turn off the hood. If the equipment underneath the hood stays on, the equipment is not hooked up properly. But if it shuts off, it's hooked up. All Wells Ventless hood systems will need to be certified by an Ansel technician. The Ansel technician will place a tag on the hood to certify it that it's an R102 fire suppression system and make sure it's compliant. To verify if the equipment is the correct distance away from our thermal detectors, take a measuring tape. Measure from the air curtain to the heated surface. Once you have the distance, verify if it is correct inside the manual. Now we're going to demonstrate how to change the filters in each system. The first model is the WVU-48 and the WVU-96. To remove the stainless steel baffle filters, use the handles to lift up and pull out. To remove the fire-rated pre-filter, lift up and pull out. To place the fire-rated pre-filter back in the unit, place it in, lift up, and make sure it locks with this ledge. To place the stainless steel baffle filter in place, just lift up and put in place. To remove the high efficiency filter and the carbon charcoal filter, you're going to first take off the door and then slide the filters out. To replace the filter, just slide it back in. Next is the WVU-72. To remove the stainless steel baffle filter, use the handles to lift up and pull out. To put back in place, do the opposite of removal. To remove the fire-rated pre-filter, simply open the door and pull out the fire-rated pre-filter. To remove the high efficiency filter and carbon charcoal pack, pull straight out. To put the high efficiency filter and carbon charcoal pack back in place, slide right in. To place the fire rated pre-filter back in place, simply slide in. Make sure the flow direction of the air is going the correct way. Note the airflow has to go towards the fan. The next model is the WVAE-55. To remove the stainless steel baffle filter, grab the handles, lift up, and pull out. To remove the high efficiency filter, grab the handles, lift up, and pull out. To remove the carbon charcoal filter, just reach in and pull it out. To reinstall the carbon charcoal filter, just do the opposite of taking it out. To reinstall the high efficiency filter, just do the opposite of taking it out. Just note that there is a seal, so it is sometimes difficult to place it back in place. To reinstall the stainless steel baffle filter, just place it in just like you took it out. Next is the VCS line. To remove the stainless steel baffle filters, just grab the handles, lift up, and pull out. To remove the fire-rated pre-filter, just lift up and pull out. To remove the high-efficiency filter and carbon charcoal filter, use the handles to pull in, unlock, and pull straight down. To place the high-efficiency filter and the carbon charcoal filter back into place, just do the opposite of taking it out. There is a seal, so it may be difficult. To place the fire-rated pre-filter back in place, just do the opposite of taking it out. To place the stainless steel baffle filter back in place, just do the opposite of taking it out. The next unit is the WVC-46. To remove the filters, simply open the door, pull out the stainless steel baffle filter, pull out the fire-rated pre-filter, and then pull out the high-efficiency and carbon charcoal filter pack. Once ready, reinstall all the filters. And shut the door. With all ventless installations, you should always keep a backup set of filters. If you ignore the warning lights and the filters become clogged, it shuts down all the equipment underneath the hood until they're replaced. You want to always make sure your grease cup is installed. Make sure that the exhaust duct has its fire damper. To check to see if your indicator lights are working, remove a baffle filter once the unit is on. All Wells Ventless systems have indicator lights. The chuck filter light means a filter is not in place properly. The replace pre-filter means it's time to replace your pre-filter. The replace filter pack means it's time to replace your filter pack. If the air curtain service light is on, contact technical service. If the service required light is on, replace all your filters. This light will then turn off. All Wells Ventless systems need to have a clearance above the unit. Please check the manual to see these clearance for proper operations. Make sure you clean your stainless steel baffle filters at least once a week. Daily is actually preferred. For more cleaning tips and maintenance instructions, please reference your manuals. You can find these on the Wells website. Make sure to review all warning stickers on each unit. The WVU units warn you not to use water to clean your griddles. This will set off the Ansel system because of a steam plume. We suggest using a gel-based griddle cleaner to clean your units. We're going to show you how to operate the controls and use the oil filtration system in the WVAE 55 system. To verify your oil level, make sure the oil doesn't go over the max line. To filter your oil system, turn off the unit. You never want to filter oil when it's cold. Next, you want to open the door, then open the release valve to drain the oil. Make sure the oil never goes below the elements. Shut the release valve to stop. Once the oil is in the pan and the release valve is shut, use the filter button to start filtration. Once the oil is returned to maximum level, turn off the filtration system. The fryer comes in digital or manual controls. The auto lift system will go down when timer is set and come up when timer is finished. To choose cook time, select from one of 4 preset timers or program your own time. See manuals for programming instructions. For manual controls, turn the dials to the set time and press the red button. Please visit our website at wells-mfg.com to find all the resources and specifications on our ventless hoods. Or you can call 1-800-264-7827.